surgery. As robots become more integrated into our lives, we need to redefine their roles in society.
Are robots simply tools to serve human needs, or can they be something more? Can they be companions, collaborators, or even friends? These are questions that we need to grapple with as robots become more advanced.
The increasing sophistication of robots also raises ethical considerations. We need to ensure that robots are designed and used in a way that respects human dignity and autonomy. This includes addressing concerns about privacy, safety, and the potential for robots to be used for harmful purposes.
Section 4. Global Governance in the Age of AI Navigating Ethical Concerns. The rapid advancement of AI and robotics requires a coordinated global response.
We need international cooperation to establish ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and use of these technologies. Several organizations are working towards this goal.
The United Nations, for instance, has formed a panel of experts to address the ethical implications of AI. Similarly, the World Economic Forum has launched a Global AI Council to promote responsible AI development.
These initiatives highlight the growing recognition that AI is not just a technological issue, but a societal one. We need to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few.
Global governance in the age of AI is challenging. It requires navigating complex ethical dilemmas and balancing innovation with responsibility. However, by working together, we can create a future where AI is used to build a more just, equitable, and sustainable world. Section 5. The Robot Rights Debate, Balancing Innovation and Ethics. The idea of granting rights to robots might seem like science fiction, but it's a debate gaining momentum.
As robots become more sophisticated and autonomous, some argue that they deserve certain rights and protections. Proponents of robot rights argue that if a robot exhibits a certain level of consciousness or sentience, it should be granted rights similar to those of humans or animals.
These rights could include the right to exist, the right to freedom from cruelty, and the right to be treated with dignity.
Opponents argue that robots are simply machines, regardless of their capabilities. They believe that granting rights to robots would be a mistake, as it would blur the lines between humans and machines, and could have unintended consequences.
The robot rights debate is complex and multifaceted. There are valid arguments on both sides. Ultimately, it's a debate that we need to have as a society. We need to consider the ethical implications of our creations and decide how we want to interact with these increasingly sophisticated beings.